Okay guys, here's the final product of installing this XT2 Garmin on this Beta 390. So I was able to lean this pretty far forward, and I ran the wire in front of the bar right here. And I'm not sure why. I guess I could have gone behind the bar, but I just wanted some extra slack so I could move it around and pin my little safety thing plug up there. Then I'll zip tie this to here. And you can see I switched the ball so that I could use it with my left hand, because now I can just take off the Garmin and fold this thing out of the way. I put these are like, what do you call it, grease fitting nipples. It comes with 2 of them, which I'll probably use them as well, but I wanted to cover these nuts. Every time I pinched the Garmin on, these screws were kind of sharp, sticking out. So I think I'll glue these on. They don't stay on perfectly, but I'll glue those on just so they're not sharp. And that works good. I can adjust at different places. It's kind of out of the way there. I can still see my engine lights, especially my engine light, fuel, dash, pretty much. I could move. I might adjust this a hair more, but that seems pretty good. Now, to get the wire down in there, I used a fish tape. I had one of these plastic fish tapes. You could use a stiff wire, and I shoved it down through here, and I managed to get it to pop out around here and then shove it up under here, so I didn't have to take the tank off. Probably didn't even have to take this fairing off. I didn't try the tape first, but it managed to get up through there pretty nicely. And you can see it here. I put a temporary Velcro zip tie in a sense here, because I'll probably have to undo this to get the battery out in the future. It came with these crimp fittings for the positive here and a crimp fitting for the negative. And I had my own crimp to attach the fuse lead down here to the wire, and I used the heat shrink. Wasn't the best heat shrink job, but it's on there. It crimped and then heat shrinked it. So that's all tidy. Can take a bit of a beating. It's out of the way of the seat. Everything's nice and tight, and wires aren't going to hang. I got a little slack to turn the wheel, and Garmin's in a nice tight position out of the way. And we're good to go. I hope that helps you guys. Appreciate it. Likes and subscribes. And again, there's a part 1 in there of this video if you need more further detail on putting this stuff together. Take care. Again, appreciate it. Likes and subscribes.